The important question I've got is the Mavic Pro 2 still relevant in 2023? What's the video quality like? How does it fly? What are the stills? Is it too expensive? In this video, I'm going to show you all the great things it can still do. The biggest part that I think it's still relevant is the 4K. Granted, it is at 24, 25, or 30 frames a second, but this thing still shoots 4K. And there's a little secret I have to tell you right now. I can't show you my drone in my hand because I'm actually using it as a standalone camera. So let me know what you think about the quality. Is this something you would use for professional clients? Is it good enough to upload on social media? Most definitely. Could you still use this for professional work? Yes. Look at the image that's coming out of the video camera now. I'm going to show you some stills and some quick shots I took, and you let me know what you think. Thanks.